So as you can see in front of you, if I go and take that phone out of the pocket, the phone will ring an alarm sound, and as you can see, the alarm sound just went off, and it will not turn off until I type in a passcode or use my face to unlock it using Face ID. Now if you want to know how this app works and how you can be able to get it for free, make sure to stay tuned and watch the video till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Alright everyone, like I stated, I'm going to be showing you in today's video an app that will allow your phone to be anti-theft or allow your phone to be anti-stolen. Now this application has a free version and a paid version. Both work fine. Obviously the paid version, that the link for that is going to be in the description. Obviously the paid version will give you much more options, but the free version will do the job as well. So as you can see in front of you, I'm using an iPhone. If this video reaches 1000 likes and I get enough requests in the comments section, I will try to make one for Android as well. Now once you open the app, it will show you 4 options, which is motion, power, pocket, and headset. Now I'll explain each of these options for you. The first one is motion. Now this literally allows your phone to ring an alarm sound if your phone is moved. Okay, so obviously let's say you have your phone on a desk and someone tries to take it. Now that alarm sound will go off and it will not turn off even if you try to multitask or do whatever. The only way for the alarm sound to go off is by typing the passcode that you get to choose once you first install the application. Now this application is very helpful. I'm going to show you how the headset version or option of it works. And if you're enjoying the video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel because I will be posting more videos like this in the future. So like I stated before, the app link is going to be in the description. Just make sure to download it from there. And as you can see, I just put on my headphone, and if I try to remove it, the app will let an alarm sound go on. So obviously you have the ability to choose the time period of the alarm going off. You can make it immediately, or you can make the app wait 4 seconds and then make the alarm sound go off. Obviously it is different. If you make it immediately, it will go off literally immediately. Now I'm going to show you the version of it in the settings. Now you get to choose the time period of the alarm. Obviously I just put it on immediately. So if I put my phone on the desk, just wait for it to be stable, and after it's stable on the desk, it will tell you that if your phone is moved, the alarm will go off. So obviously just wait for 2 seconds or less, and if you move the phone, the alarm sound will go off, just like you're seeing or hearing in front of you. And this app is very helpful when you're in a public place and you have your phone in your pocket, or you want to leave it somewhere without wanting your phone to be stolen, obviously. And as you can see in front of you, you can get to choose your own passcode. Now the app automatically shows you prompt to set a password when you first open it. You can choose that in the settings if you want to. And like I said again, if you're enjoying the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It will help me out. Okay, so as you can see in front of you, I'm going to show you the method where you'll be able to have your phone in your pocket, and if someone takes it out of your pocket, the alarm will go off. So as you can see, you need to open the app and then choose the option where it says pocket, and once you choose that option, if you put it in a pocket, it doesn't matter if it's a back pocket or a front pocket, just leave it there for 1 second and the app will know that it is in a pocket by using the motion sensors on your phone. And now if you go ahead and take that phone or try to sneak it out of the pocket, the alarm sound will go off. This is very helpful because if you're in a different place and you feel like there are some people trying to take your phone, this app will prevent them from that happening. So as you can see, the only way to make that alarm go off or turn off is by typing the passcode. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and leave a comment below if you have any issues. I will be more than happy to help you out.